Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, March 25, 2021, and today is the day of our auto trading webinar. So if you guys have not registered for this yet and you are at all interested in auto trading, trading of quantified statistical strategies, the way that we do it here at InvestiQuant, we'll be talking about that this afternoon after the close of the market. So if you head over to the link which is below this video, which is investiquant.com/webinar, you can register for this webinar. We'll be talking about our results, what is auto trading. We'll also answer all of your questions about it. That'll be taking place this afternoon after the close at 4:30 p.m. Eastern time. So go ahead and sign up here if you are interested, and you will get the link to join us for the webinar, and we will hopefully be seeing you there this afternoon. All right, let's hop into a study for today. Today, we're going to be looking at a market event study. So today is the GDP report. That'll be out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. It is not 8:30 a.m. Eastern time as of the time of this recording, but that'll be out here in a little bit. So I'm going to take a look at what has happened historically on GDP report day when you are in a similar market environment. So I have selected all four instruments. The setup we'll be looking at is just simply entering at the open of regular trading hours and exiting at the close of regular trading hours, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. Now for opening filters, I normally add something here. I'm not going to today because I don't know which way we're going to be gapping and which direction. We were just up. Now we're down just a little bit. So I'm just going to include them all. We'll think of it more of a seasonality-like study of what has happened on this day. And then when we get closer to the open, if you want to come in here and dig into exactly what it looks like when you gap up or gap down or open below prior day low, all of that stuff is available here in the opening filters. And it will have a little bit of a difference on, make a little bit of a difference on the stats that you'll see here. So next, I'm going to go into indicators. I'm going to put us in a similar market environment. We closed below a 10-day simple moving average, but above a 200-day simple moving average yesterday. And then in the market events section, I can say today is the GDP report that's out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. I'm grabbing that from the active today section. It is within this market events library right here. GDP report there, down just a little bit in that category. And now I can hit view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon going long at the open of regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, and exiting at the close, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern time, when it is GDP report day and you are in a similar market environment, which I have as below a 10 but above a 200-day simple moving average. Now, historically, we've got 40 samples here for the S&P, 42 for the NASDAQ, 43 for the Dow, and 46 for the Russell. And all of the win rates are a little bit more bullish here historically. So we've got the S&P at 65%, the NASDAQ 62%, the Dow 65%, and the Russell 57%. If we look at the average win, average loss, pretty similar in size there for the S&P. The NASDAQ has what looks to be an outlier trade that just happened here recently, and the average loss there has been larger than the average win. The Dow, fairly similar in size for average win and average loss, and then the Russell, which has the weakest win rate, has an average win that's a little bit larger than the average loss. So all four of them a little bit better on win rates, so a little bit more bullish on win rates. The average win and average loss, though, is not significantly skewed for all of them in one direction or the other. So hopefully you found that helpful. Remember that link is below the video to sign up for our webinar this afternoon. We hope to see you there at 4:30 p.m. Eastern time. Good luck today, and we will see you after the close.